All right, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verb. So, kick about. Here we are. Kick about. Yes, the football. Or anything of the sort. Football. Yeah, kick about. There we are. Yeah. To physically kick. Physically kick. In no particular direction. Or to do something aimlessly, without any direction. We will have a kickabout with the football. Yeah. I want to have a kickabout and see what happens. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? I will give it a kickabout later. Yeah, well, I'll experiment and test it out later. Experiment and test it out later. Yeah, a quick kickabout. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. They had a kickabout on the football field. Yeah, they're just kicking about. Whatever happens, happens. Yeah. We had a fun kickabout earlier today. Yeah. Whatever happened, happened. Just kick about the ball. Kick the ball about the place. Today. We kicked the ball about the place. Yeah, here and there. Whatever else. Yeah. We are just having a kickabout now. Having a fun now. Kicking about now. No problems. Having some fun. They are having a kickabout now. Just some fun. Yeah, just some fun. How cool is that? We're just having a kickabout in the grass. Nothing special. Yeah. He was just kicking about on the field, really. Yeah. Now, can you use kickabout in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.